Good morning and welcome to the Bluebell Railway. Today we've got a road meets rail event, so let's have a look around. This is a London, Brighton and South Coast Railway A1 class, number 72, Fenchurch. It's been recently restored and is looking excellent in this condition. Now I'm only starting to learn now about traction engines, but I think this is a Fowler A7 and it was by far my favourite of the event. It is just ginormous and look at it, what a beast. I wasn't in time to catch the steamrollers in action, but here's a little stationary engine, a bit like an 18th century version of a portable generator.
Oh, mind your fingers.
I don't know anything about this engine, but I had to take some video because I thought it was just so peaceful with it ticking over. Nothing at all like having a big internal combustion engine. I also saw this really great engine here. It had a solid flywheel to stop scaring horses. I'm trying to convince my wife we should get this instead of a camper van. Wish me luck!